Hello everybody, here's a fan I just recently purchased off eBay. I'm guessing it's from the 50s. Well, I'm sure it's from the 50s. It's a Lasko. It's reversible, has an oscillator button and a thermostat. I was going to show the box real quick. It's pretty much ruined, but I'm going to try and somehow save it. Another Lasko portable home cooler. Model number, Executive. Powered by a Westinghouse motor. Started off in the intake. Does have a capacitor. This is low. And if you look on the front, you see the fins going back and forth. There's a little motor up there that controls it. High. That was actually high, so this is low. Get a spin down. Got a really good spin down. I didn't have to take the motor apart. The windings were really clean. But I thought this is cool up there. There's a little C-frame motor attached to a box that makes this rod go back and forth to about here. It makes the fins go back and forth. I was surprised it actually still worked. I sanded it down and gave it a fresh coat of paint, except for on the housing, the fins, and the motor color. It had pretty bad water damage. Go off in reverse and high. And I'll try one more time to get a startup noise, and I turn that motor off. See, it's pretty clean. And let me tell you people, trying to spray paint in the winter is not an easy task. This spring I plan on breaking it down and giving it another paint job. I did pop this little thing off here to give it some oil for the whole pad that sits in there. Again, this is my Lasko powered by a Westinghouse motor Executive box fan.